BMW Group's Plant Dingolfing marked the start of production for the 8th generation BMW 5 Series, including the all-new fully electric BMW i5, during its 50th anniversary year. The plant, located in Lower Bavaria, Germany, has also increased its production of fully electric models, with the BMW i5 being the third such model in 2 years, following the BMW iX and BMW i7. The plant's output of battery electric vehicles is expected to constitute over 40% of its total production in 2024. During the launch event, Milan Nedeljković, a member of the BMW AG's board of management responsible for production, emphasized the company's strategic shift towards e-mobility. He stated that between 2021 and 2024, the BMW Group plans to integrate a total of 15 fully electric vehicles into its global production network. The production of the BMW i5 at Plant Dingolfing, according to Nedeljković, represents the BMW Group's transformation into an e-mobility future, with e-mobility becoming the new norm at its plants worldwide. The BMW Group is adopting a flexible approach to car architectures, with a variety of drivetrain options available for customers globally. The BMW 5 Series will be available with either a fully electric drivetrain, an internal combustion engine, or as a plug-in hybrid. This strategy allows the company to efficiently utilize its plant's capacities while adjusting its offerings according to customer demand. To support this endeavor, the BMW Group has invested over €1 billion in its production network, particularly at the Dingolfing vehicle plant, to facilitate the integration of models like the BMW iX, BMW 7 Series, and BMW 5 Series. Plant Director Christoph Schroeder anticipates a boost in the plant's production numbers following the launch of the new BMW 5 Series. He highlighted that the BMW 5 Series has traditionally been Dingolfing's core model and will provide valuable impetus for volumes again this time. With the start of production for the BMW 5 Series Touring and the 8th generation BMW M5 models, he expects the plant's production numbers to increase to well over 300,000 vehicles in the coming year. Over the past 50 years, Plant Dingolfing has produced approximately 12 million BMW vehicles, with 2/3 of these being BMW 5 Series models. This historic milestone is deeply intertwined with the history of Plant Dingolfing itself, which saw its first BMW car, a tangerine-colored BMW 520y, roll off the production line in September 1973. Over the years, the plant has grown into one of the most prominent locations in the automotive industry, playing a crucial role in the economic development of the region. This growth has been supported by significant investment, including over €1 billion into production of electric powertrain components at the plant since 2015. Finally, the vision of the BMW i factory is very much in evidence at the Dingolfing site. Thanks to extensive investments, the plant is well equipped for future transitions. In addition to winning the prestigious Automotive Lean Production Award in 2022, the plant has piloted innovative initiatives, including intelligent camera systems for quality monitoring and automated driving in-plant. In terms of sustainability, the plant has taken numerous measures to promote biodiversity, prevent and recycle waste, and reduce CO2 emissions, highlighting the green aspect of the BMW i factory. These developments underscore the BMW Group's commitment to Bavaria as a manufacturing location, despite its global growth strategy.
Da ist man.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.